everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. Today I'm in the bathroom because I am bringing to you another episode of a Dollar Tree item. Does it work or doesn't it? Is it worth the buy or isn't it? What item am I bringing to you today? Today I'm bringing to you Awesome's Lime, Rust, and Calcium Remover. I personally have never used this. I have heard really great things about the Awesome products. Whenever I've needed to take rust, lime, or calcium off, I've always used CLR. It's something that my mom used, so it's something that I've just always bought and used myself. This resembles it very much so, just by looking at the label. Does it work is good. The problem that I fight in my house is with calcium because we have hard water. Our water out here is very hard, and so we end up with a lot of calcium buildup. And a lot of my calcium buildup ends up here in my drains of my sinks and my bathtub. We've got the chrome drains, and because they're chrome, the calcium sticks to it and really shows a lot. And so because of that, I make it part of my routine to use CLR to remove that calcium. So today I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if Awesome's Calcium, Lime, and Rust Remover works on my drains. I'll be showing you the before and afters to see if this product really works and if there's any improvement. I also wanted to try it for the rust factor. Will it help remove rust? I don't have a lot of rust in my house, but I did find a spot in the kids' bathroom, so let's get to it. You can see here on the chrome drain of my sink that there is quite a bit of calcium buildup. This is something that I try to remove every few months because I don't like the way it looks, and I personally just like a nice shiny chrome drain. So let's see how this Awesome works, if there's any difference at all. The directions here say to apply directly to the calcium, and with a brush or a sponge or cloth to wipe it off pretty rapidly, it says. And it says rinse promptly with cold water. And it even says on here you can use it on coffee makers, but I'm not sure that I want this in my coffee maker. Taking our Awesome Rust, Lime, and Calcium Remover, I'm gonna be generous and I'm gonna spray quite a bit on there. And I'm gonna let it set. Okay, so I've put my gloves on to protect my nails from any harsh chemicals. I've got my bathroom sink cleaning sponge and I've got my cleaning toothbrush. So I'm gonna try with the toothbrush first and see if it removes it. You know what, guys? I'm seeing it and it looks like it is removing the calcium. I'm gonna take some cold water and rinse it like it says. Oh my word, that is amazing. And wow, I am really impressed with that. I see a little bit of a spot left on there, so I'm gonna close this drain again. I'm gonna spray some more. I'm really impressed. Let's go try this on another sink and see if we have the same results. Alrighty, so we are in the kids' bathroom. I just cleaned their sink. You can see that there's quite a bit of calcium buildup on this stopper, and there is some around the edge here. So I'm gonna take and close that up. It took the majority off, but I can still see that there's some on here, so I'm going to give this a second try. I can tell that this is a pretty stubborn spot here, so I'm going to give it one more shot with my scrubby sponge. Let's go on to their shower and see how it works against rust. Okay, so you can see here in their shower, there is quite a bit of rust on this shelf. And believe it or not, this shelf has only been in here 4 or 5 months. It's one of those tall shelves that you get from Walmart. I think it's the Mainstays brand. Let's see what effect this awesome rust lime and calcium cleaner has on rust. And there is quite a bit of difference. There's no denying it. Although there is some rust left, it took a lot of the rust off of this. I'm gonna give this another shot and see what one more application does for this. And there you have it after a second application of the awesome rust lime and calcium remover. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. So for calcium, how did this match up to CLR? In the first bathroom, it worked amazing. The calcium buildup wasn't as bad as it was here in Kayla's bathroom. I had to do it twice in the guest bathroom. Coming into Kayla's bathroom, I did it 4 times. The drain had quite a bit more calcium buildup than the last bathroom, and doing it 4 times, it still didn't completely lift up and take away all of the calcium. It did take away 90% of it. So is it worth $1? Absolutely, I think it is. Did it work as good as CLR? No, it didn't. CLR, I typically just spray it on once and everything comes right on up. And so I definitely think that this would be great for maintenance. I definitely think this is worth $1. If you have quite a bit of calcium buildup, I think you're gonna need something a bit stronger. For the real light calcium stains, I think that this is amazing. That's all I have for you for today for this review of yet another Dollar Tree item. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Google+. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.